In this video, I will be showing you how to compare Perplexity AI and ChatGPT to find the best tool for your needs. Let's get started. I start by looking at an overview of both platforms, noting how ChatGPT acts as a general-purpose assistant while Perplexity functions more like a high-tech search engine. As I scroll through the comparison, I see that ChatGPT is often the go-to for creative tasks, but Perplexity positions itself as a smarter alternative for finding real-time information. When I type in a query for the best local cafes, I notice a big difference in how they respond. ChatGPT gives me a friendly, curated list, but Perplexity really stands out by acting like a research librarian. It scans the live web and provides a detailed summary of the best-rated spots, complete with specific citations for every single claim it makes. I love how these reference links allow me to verify the sources instantly, ensuring the data is accurate and up-to-date. I also explore Perplexity's structured spaces, which allows me to group related searches into dedicated folders, so I can keep my research organized for long-term projects. Looking at the feature table, I see that while ChatGPT is great for human-like conversations and brainstorming, Perplexity is built for accuracy and deep discovery. Finally, I compare the pricing tiers and find that while both have excellent free options, the paid plans unlock more advanced AI models like GPT-4 and Claude 3. Ultimately, I use Perplexity when I need verified facts and ChatGPT when I need a creative partner. Each tool has its own unique strengths, so the best choice depends on whether you're looking for answers or ideas. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.